Many people make the mistake of washing their car with the wrong cleaning product, like dishwashing liquid. Now, while this may be great for removing dirt, it also removes a protective wax layer, allowing the sun to permanently damage your paintwork. Using the right product is key to protecting your paintwork and maintaining the look of your car. Builders has a wide range of automotive cleaning and preservation products to keep your vehicle looking like new. Car body products, from affordable bulk packs to wash and wax options, and even top-end specialist products. Some of these even have anti-static properties which help prevent dust sticking to the body of your car. This means you don't have to wash it as often. Then take care of your dirty engine bay with degreasing engine cleaners. Your mags and tires with these easy-to-apply products that remove baked-on dirt and grease and leave your tires looking brand new. There are also complete cleaning kits neatly packaged in carry bags with everything you need. This wide range of cleaning products will have your vehicle looking great in no time. Just make sure you read all the instructions before use. Now remember, this is just some of the cleaning products available at Builders, in store or online at builders.co.za. And for more videos like this, visit the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.